Well, hello internet people. Today we're going to make a automatic dog watering bucket to water my very picky dog named Chester. He's right. Say hi to Chester. So what we got here is a 5-gallon bucket with a lid, and inside we have some stuff. This stuff costs $30, $29. We've got a little elbow and some tubing hidden around here somewhere. It's going to be a scavenger hunt to find that. And we got this little tiny pond pump. This pump's going to go inside of here, and we're going to have a little spigot, and Chester will hopefully love drinking out of it. Alright, so we've got our little pump, we've got our 1/2-inch tag-on tubing, we've got our little elbow, and our bucket, and our lid. So first thing we need to do is we need to make some holes in this lid so that we can have the cord go in here, the water come out here, and a nice big old open area for Chester to drink out of. So let's see what we can come up with. Alright, we got our bucket with some holes. We got a hole here for the plug, and I even got this cool little bung plug. And the cord will go inside of that and hold it tight. And the tubing will come out here. We got a couple holes for the zip ties to hold this down to make a little faucet. We're going to try and cut these little out and fold them up with a heat gun to make a little splash guard. And then this will fold down and be a little drip tray sort of deal. Alright guys, let's take a look at this. We got our pump installed with some tubing. We got our faucet. It's even angled down. Look at that. Hopefully it won't splash out everywhere. Got our splash guards and our little stopper to hold the plug in place so it doesn't move around. Well, should we test this thing or what? Alright guys, we got some water in here. It's about half full. Let's plug it in and see what happens. Whoa, look at that. That's a nice little fountain. Let's see if Chester likes it. Chester, look at this. Chester, look. Get a drink.